Hi everybody, welcome to Cowboy Leather and Shoe Repair. As you can see, we've got us a new machine in the shop. It's a Juki DDL 8700. Nope, there is no nameplates on it. Yes, the hand crank has got Gorilla Tape on it. That's because I got a good deal on it. The hand wheel has got a crack in it. And being that there's no name on it, I got a good deal on it. Came with a table, foot pedal, knee lift, servo motor. This one of them computerized. I can set the button to raise it when I step down on the back of the foot pedal, and also you can set it so it will sew like 2-3 inches and stop, but I don't plan on using that feature. But other than that, it came as you see it. Well, no, I had to put it together, but there's no videos of it in actual use, actually sewing anything other than just a piece of scrap cloth. So if you just hang on a sec here, let me slide my chair a little bit closer. I've got a piece of, I think it's 2 to 3 ounce skirting leather, and we'll show you how it goes through that. Now I did change the needle. It comes with 14 needles. I put 16 in it, and I put 69 thread in it. So let's see if we can tear it up here. No, not really. Lifting. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to stop with the needle down in the leather. Let me get closer so I can work the pedals here. There we go.